Nouveau jeune, bienvenue à Niagara!
Here in Welland, you have the Multicultural Center. It's one organization, they help with the settlement. And then you have Sophie Franc is also an organization that work with women and family. It's also a Francophone organization. They have also different activities. This is just Welland. And then when you go to St. Catherine, you have also the Folk Art Multicultural Center. They also do the same thing, similar integration. They have different activities for youth and also for family. And they have also YMCA that's also work with them. In Fort Erie, for example, they have the Fort Erie Multicultural Center. They have a lot of programs with youth, and they have even working with a project with an organization called Gen X. So they're also helping with the youth.
My name is Naomi Cesar. I'm 27 years old and I'm a new youth.
Je m'appelle Solange Faigo, j'ai 20 ans et je suis une nouvelle jeune.
My name is Jethro Joseph and I'm 18. I'm a new youth.
Oh, hi, my name is Remy. I'm a new youth and I'm 20 years old right now.
Mon nom c'est Laetitia et puis je suis une nouvelle jeune.
My name is Grace Shangu. I'm 14 years old and this is New Youth.
Hi, my name is Samantha Blad. I'm 18 years old and I'm a New Youth.
My name is Emmanuel. I work with New Youth, which is Nouveau Jeune.
Je m'appelle Philippine Aranjou. J'ai 17 ans et je suis une nouvelle jeune.
My name is Gary and I'm 23 years old and I'm a New Youth to Canada.
I've been here since January 2008, so this January will be 4 years.
Ça fait 5 ans que je vis à Welland.
I've lived in Welland for 2 years.
It's been a couple months that I'm in the city of Welland.
I've lived in St. Catharines for 5 years.
Et moi, ça fait un mois que je suis à Sainte-Catherine.
I've been here for 3 years and 3 months.
J'habite à Welland, ça fait 4 ans, mais j'habitais avant à Sainte-Catherine.
I think the city of Welland should have more jobs for newcomers because Welland is a good city, but it's too quiet.
When it comes to regarding my papers and immigration things, like I had a good help from the Multicultural Center from Fort Erie, Ontario. Yeah.
There is people like Opera 2000. There is also Welland Multicultural Center, and there is also Employment Solutions. And there is Centre de santé communautaire.
Absolument, ils peuvent faire beaucoup plus. Surtout pour les bilingues, pour commencer, et aussi pour ceux qui parlent juste français ou anglais. Par exemple, quand on va à l'école et quand c'est l'été, on cherche des travaux d'été et c'est pas facile de les trouver. Donc, il faut que tu connaisses quelqu'un, ou que tu fasses des grandes recherches. Même quand tu fais ça, ce n'est pas facile de trouver un travail ici à Welland. Ce n'est pas du tout facile, surtout pour les jeunes, absolument pas.
I always get support from like the Multicultural Center, but first of all, like their office wasn't big enough, and then there wasn't enough people, first of all, to support all the immigrants people, the refugees that was down there.
Moi, je trouve qu'il n'y a pas assez d'immigrants ici. Et je trouve que côté entreprise communautaire pour les nouveaux arrivants, je trouve qu'il devrait en avoir plus aussi, parce que je suis arrivée et les seules personnes que je connaissais, c'était les membres de ma famille, et je trouve que c'est pas assez pour m'intégrer.
Me personally, I find everything that I need. Anything that if there is not something here, I go to either Niagara Falls or St. Catharines, but here I find everything that I can think of.
There's like many other youth groups in St. Catharines, Niagara Falls, like all around the Niagara region.
Mettre des emplois en ligne pour commencer, aussi de la mairie, aussi de la ville, dans les journaux locaux ou dans les journaux déjà comme le régional ou Niagara News.
If it's for youth, not too much things here because there are some programs, but they have to look for it. I think they need to know more. What's available. Maybe have a website where they post everything. When you come here, this is what you're gonna find. And the city is better for people who do those type of work or youth who's looking for this or that. So they helped me with schooling. I didn't have to pay. I think it's the government fund it's a money that's there for internationally educated nurses to continue here, which was good. And every month I didn't have to pay for my books, all my courses, it was everything paid for.
Bien sûr, il y avait les programmes de sport, de théâtre et tout ça, mais il n'y avait pas un programme un programme pour les immigrants, pour les nouveaux arrivants.
Like parents, French-speaking parents who do not speak French, they arrive in Niagara, they don't know that they can send their children to a French school. And then also they can, go to a French doctor who is available. Sometimes you find people being here 2 years, 3 years, and they didn't know that those resources are available.
Welland is a good city, nice people, friendly people.
I'll tell them maybe to do some research before they move and see what they like and what they expect. Like for me, it's a great city because I have a daughter. I have a 4-year-old daughter, and with a mom with the kids, I find the city is really a good place to stay and raise a family. And there's a lot of programs for moms and kids.
There is lots and lots of opportunities. You just come, you focus, and help. You can get help from various organizations. They'll help you with school. They'll help you finding jobs, if that's what you want. Whatever you want, there is always someone here to help you.
Moi, je dirais aux gens de ne pas venir ici parce que c'est trop calme. En fait, il n'y a aucune activité. Mais c'est un bon endroit pour l'école parce qu'il n'y a pas beaucoup d'attractions, il n'y a pas beaucoup d'éléments qui vont te faire aller dehors avec tes amis à la place d'étudier. Mais si c'est pour avoir du plaisir, je dirais d'aller dans une autre ville comme Toronto, Ottawa ou Montréal.
Small city, we don't like it, especially when you're a teenager. We don't like it because there is not enough thing to do. People, they want to have fun, they want to go play basketball, soccer. There is not enough of those things. But what I can say, when it comes to school, I would suggest any newcomer in this country really to double think before they decide to go in a big city.
One good thing that I like about Welland is there's a lot of opportunities to volunteer. And especially if you're a high school student, you need volunteer hours in order to graduate, and Welland offers that a lot.
Il y a tout. Si quelqu'un s'approche de moi pour une question, oui, je vais lui répondre. Et puis, effectivement, maintenant, comme je sais, je pourrais lui référer le centre de santé, l'emploi 2000, anglophone, Employment Help Center. Bon, pour tout de suite, je pense que c'est ça. Il y a les associations, les Sophiefronts, tout ça. Ça organise des soirées culturelles pour la Noël, pour le mois des Noirs. Il y a des activités, mais il faut chercher. C'est pour ça que je dis que l'information n'est pas à la portée de tout le monde.
Day and day, Welland is improving. It's a nice city. It's not like Toronto was really crowded, not like Ottawa, not like Montreal. So if you come to Welland, I'm pretty sure you'll like it.
I don't see any discrimination around here because I think at the end of the day, they realize we all the same people. We all the same people, so they just welcome us as if it's one of their kids.